In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make all columns and rows the same size in Google Sheets. This is a simple formatting trick that can make your spreadsheet look much cleaner and more organized. Especially if you are working with a large table and want everything to appear neat and consistent. If your columns are all different widths or your rows are uneven, this method will help you standardize the whole sheet in just a few clicks. To begin, click the Select All button. This is the empty square located in the top left corner of the sheet. You'll find it just above row 1 and just to the left of column A. When you click it, every cell in the worksheet will be selected. And the sheet will typically highlight in light blue so you can clearly see that everything is active. This step is important because it tells Google Sheets that the changes you are about to make should apply across the entire selected area. Next, move to the top of the sheet and right-click on any column letter, such as A, B, or C. A menu will appear. From that menu, choose the option that says Resize columns A through Z. Depending on your sheet, the range shown may vary slightly. But the key is to select the Resize option for columns. In the box that opens, choose Enter New Column Width in pixels. Then type in the width you want. The default width is 100 pixels, so that's a good reference point if you are not sure what to use. All selected columns will now match that exact width. Now it's time to do the same thing for the rows. On the left side of the sheet, right-click on any row number, such as 1 or 2. From the menu, select Resize rows 1 through 1000. Again, the range may look a little different depending on your sheet. But you are looking for the Resize rows option. In the pop-up window, choose Specify Row Height. Then enter the height you want. The default row height is 21, which is useful if you want a standard look. Once you've typed in your preferred number, click OK. At this point, all your selected rows and columns should now be uniform in size. This can make your data easier to read and give your spreadsheet a much more polished appearance. Thanks for watching.